Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to enable Meta AI chats in Messenger. Meta AI is an integrated into Messenger that can help with quick answers, creative tasks, and productivity. To enable and use Meta AI chats, first of all, go ahead and open up your App Store or your Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search box, type in Messenger and then open up the Messenger application from Meta Platforms Inc. Now tap the update button if a newer version is available on your device. Once you are done, tap on Open. This will launch Open Messenger app on your device. After you open up Messenger, go ahead and tap on the Meta AI listed in the chat thread page. Now you can type a question or prompt in the search box at the bottom. After you type in the prompt, tap on the send button at the bottom right, and then Meta AI will respond directly in the chat like a regular contact. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Meta AI in Messenger. It's like having a smart assistant right in your chats, ready to help, brainstorm, or even joke around. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.